it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. I have no makeup on my face except for my daytime skincare. Kasi pinapahinga ko muna yung mukha ko. Alam nyo naman, everyday at work, nagmi-makeup talaga ako every single day. And because it's the long weekend, so may time ako na magpahinga yung mukha ko ha. May time yung mukha ko magpahinga. And don't be deceived guys, hindi maganda yung skin ko. Talagang maganda lang yung lights. Ayan no. That is my true skin kapag walang lights. So let's turn on the lights. So anyway, today I'm going to do another Empties review. So these will be both skincare and makeups kasi konting-konti lang yung makeups and medyo marami-rami yung skincare natin. So I did this kind of video like 5 to 6 months ago and since then medyo marami na akong naubos. And I'm also going to give konting review about them. Okay guys, so yung pinakaunang ipapakita ko sa inyo are makeup removers. I have here the Garnier, Micellar or Micellar. Depende yun kung saan lugar ka. It's Micellar or Micellar, the same. So I have here the Garnier and the L'Oreal Micellar Water. If you ask me kung alin dito yung gusto ko, I love both. Pero kasi, eto may alcohol content kasi si Garnier Micellar Water. Si L'Oreal Micellar Water, wala naman siyang alcohol. So, I prefer the L'Oreal one over this one. But they're both nice. Pareho silang ginagawa yung kailangan nilang gawin. Pero what I've noticed is mas nakaka-remove siya. It removes better than this one, yung mga waterproof mascara ko. So, yun lang yung napansin ko. But both are nice. Pero mas prefer ko talaga si L'Oreal Micellar Water. Next will be setting sprays. Ayan. I have here the Evian facial spray and the MAC Fix Plus. This one is my second bottle. Yung ginagamit ko ngayon is my third bottle. I really love this one. This sets your makeup beautifully and this hydrates your face beautifully. So this you can use before and after makeup application. As in, talagang, I don't know what's in this. Parang tubig lang naman siya, pero I don't know what's in this na talagang nakakaganda siya ng makeup guys. As in, promise. Nung pumunta ako ng Korea, eto ginagamit ko siya before and after and talagang sobrang ganda ng skin ko. Hindi talaga ako nag-cakey and basta, maganda siya guys. I super duper love this. And ito naman, ginagamit ko siya on days na hindi ko kayang gamitin ito. Kasi ito, ginagamit ko siya on special occasions kasi nga sobrang mahal. So, ito yung ginagamit ko every single day before I put on my makeup, before my primer. So, ito, ginagamit ko siya after my skincare, yung daytime skincare routine ko. And also, ginagamit ko din ito pang basa sa mga eyeshadows, you know. Kasi yung mga professional makeup artists, yung MAC Fix Plus, yung ginagamit nila para basain yung eyeshadows para mas opaque yung eyeshadows on our eyes. Pero since mahal nga ito yung ginagamit ko, si Evian spray. And okay naman siya guys, maganda siya guys. Para lang talagang tubig ng dalawang ito, pero may parang something dito na magaganda. I'm not a chemist, so I don't know. Basta guys, they're both nice. Ito, highly recommended ko talaga to. Super duper love this one. Next naman is a powder. I have here my RCMA No Color Powder. And this one, it has 3 ounce. Sobrang dami nito guys for 850 pesos. And finally, naubos ko na siya. Actually, I have 2 of this one. Yung isa, ginagamit ko pa. Hindi pa siya nauubos. Kaka-open ko pa lang. And this one, ubos na ubos na. I really love this. Kasi talagang it's very fine. And I love using this in baking my under eyes. And of course, I love using this in baking my entire face kasi hindi talaga siya nagki-cake ever. I super duper love this powder. Yung sabi ng iba, may flashback daw siya under flash photography. Yes, it's true. Pero hindi naman siya very worst sa akin. Sa iba din naman, it sets ashy on them. Like on my sister, ashy to sa kanya. Pero sa akin, so far, hindi naman. Okay naman siya sa akin. So, yeah, love this powder as well. And then I have 2 moisturizers. These are cream moisturizers. First, I have the multi-function formula all-in-one Snail Repair Cream by Mizon. Ito, super love ko din and sobrang ubos niya na guys. But this one is a bit expensive. And you can also find this sa Shopee guys ha. I love moisturizers na may snail cream, ganon. Kasi I feel like talagang anti-aging siya. Ito, maganda siya guys. It gives me the moisture that I need for my face. As well as this one, ito yung Ra&Gowoori. Ito yung binibenta ni Miss Anna Kai. This is a horse oil cream. Since I don't have the Gerson, ata yun, Gerson or Garrison. Since I don't have that one, and nakita ko na ito yung ginagamit ni Miss Anna Kai, so I bought it on her shop sa Shopee. That's pre-loved by Anna Kai. for I think 400, it's almost 500 pesos. And walang-wala na siya guys, as in ubos na ubos ko na siya. Kasi this one is medyo heavy siya, so I cannot recommend this sa mga oily, yung super oily skin, kasi it's a heavy moisturizer for me ha. So I only have normal to oily, oily lang yung T-zone ko. But this one, I don't use this daytime. Nighttime ko lang ito ginagamit. And I can recommend this sa mga dry skin girls. As in, talagang sobrang ganda nito. It's a heavy moisturizer. It's a heavy duty moisturizer. So, yes, okay na okay to guys. And then, I have a toner here. Of course, the famous Some by Me AHA-BHA-PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner. Ito, nagamit ko siya for almost 3 months, 150 ml, ubos na siya. As well as the Miracle Cleansing Bar. Syempre, hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo kasi wala na, ubos na talaga siya. Eto, I love this product, pero yung claim niya na talagang may miracle changes sa face ko, hindi ko nakikita na talagang bonggang-bongga na nawala talaga yung pimples ko, ganon. But, it helps fights my pimples and nakakatulong siya na mas faster ma-dry yung pimples. Yes, I can recommend this sa mga acne-prone skin. Just give it time. You can see a difference naman talaga. Since I don't have that skin na talagang sobrang daming breakout, kaya siguro wala akong nakita na parang big changes. Kaya siguro ganon. But I've seen a lot of reviews about this one na talagang nag-work ito sa kanila. So, yeah, okay din to guys. And of course, my favorite, this one is the Ordinary Salicylic Acid 2% solution. If you ask me kung alin sa mga skincare products na napakita ko yung bibilin ko ulit, it will be this one. I super duper love this one, especially in drying out my pimples. Ngayon, ginagamit ko na siya morning and evening. Lalong-lalo na yung talagang sobrang dami kong breakouts kasi talagang maganda siya guys. It fights pimples. So at night, I use this all over my face, but during the day, spot treatment lang. So kung saan lang yung may pimple, dun ko lang siya ginagamit. This is my second bottle and I'm going to continue to purchase it until na hindi ko na siya magustuhan. But so far ngayon, I still love it and I can't wait to get my hands on this one. Nag-order na ako. So, excited na akong gamitin ulit yung bago. And of course, my Nature Republic 92% Aloe Gel. This is my holy grail. Ito yung pang last step ko sa nighttime skincare routine ko. This one seals everything. Yung moisture na hindi na ibibigay ng ibang products na ibibigay nito. So, this I super duper love. I will stop raving about it kasi guys, if you've been a long time viewer of mine, you will know how much I love this product. Talagang, hands down, the best skincare product that I've tried. Promise. Next naman, or this one, the Mamala Virgin Deo. This is a whitening deodorant. Ito, nakita ko kasi si Miss Chris Numagi na gumamit siya nito. So, I bought this. Dalawa na yung nagamit ko. And so far, guys, wala akong nakita na talagang difference. Hindi siya pumuti, pero hindi din nag-darken. Parang ano lang siya. Hindi pumuti yung kilikili ko. But, siguro, piniprevent niya na magka-dark spots yung kilikili ko. Ganon. So, I don't know if this one works. Pero sa twin sister ko, it works daw on her. But sa akin, wala akong nakitang changes. Yun lang. So, dalawa na kasi yung naubos ko. Ano talagang wala akong nakitang changes. So, I did not repurchase it na. Kasi parang sayang lang siya sa pera. And another skincare item, then next we will move on to makeups, is this one. This is from Alive Love. Ito talaga sobrang ganda nito guys. This is the Pocket Ball Cushion. It's a roll-on. Ayan o. Tapos ginagamit mong ganyan. Ito, if you have dark spots, if you have dark under eyes, and kapag kulang kayo sa tulog, gamitin nyo lang to every single day. And instantly talagang may whitening effect siya. Maybe because it has a peachy undertone. Yung cream dito, yung liquid dito pala, not cream. Kaya siguro talagang nakakancel niya yung dark eyes mo. I really love this one. Yun nga lang, hindi ko alam kung paano siya bibilin ulit because it's from Alive Love. It's a company from Korea. So, pinadala lang ito sa akin and I don't know where to buy this. Hindi ko kasi maintindihan yung website nila kasi puro Korean. So, ito talaga sobrang ganda nito guys. Nahihiya din naman ako sa company na mag-email sa kanila para manghingi lang nito. So, as in, promise. If you can get your hands on this one, sa Alive Love, the Pocket Ball Cushion, please get it. Talagang sobrang ganda niya. I promise, I promise. Next naman, our makeup. So, let's proceed to the primers. I have here my NYX Angel Veil and the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. This, I don't like. I hate this, pero talagang inubos ko lang siya kasi para hindi masayang yung pera ko. It's too silicone for me. It's too slippery na feeling ko yung foundation ko, it will just slip and slide and hindi magsistick sa mukha ko. Ganun siya. I don't like this primer. But this one, I do really love. Yun nga lang, hindi ko siya naubos kasi nagkabutas dito and it dried everything inside. So, hindi ko na siya naubos. Ayan o, may naririnig pa ako. Parang naging, it's super dry na inside. So, I decided na itapon ko na lang siya. But I really, really love this one. Tinitipid ko ito kasi medyo mahal siya. 30 ml siya, but I think this one retails for 925 or 950 pesos. Ganun siya. So, medyo mahal siya kaya tinitipid ko siya. And ayun, medyo nag-regret ako kung bakit ko siya tinitipid kasi hindi ko siya naubos. But I've already found a dupe on this one. The Mark Primer by Avon, talagang it's a good dupe for this one kung namamahalan kayo nito. Yung Mark Primer is half the price of this one, so go check it out. But eto, highly recommended din. If you ask me if I will repurchase this, then yes, I would. I would. Talagang maganda ito. Okay, next naman is the foundation. This one is the Maybelline Dream Velvet Foundation. Finally, naubos ko na siya and I don't like this. As in, I hate this foundation. No matter what primer I use or kahit brush man or sponge yung gamitin ko, kahit anong powder yung ilagay ko sa mukha ko, talagang nagkikikito sa akin. Especially here around my nose. And dito sa may ilong na part, around my nose, talagang nagkikikito. I don't like this. And hindi maganda yung oil control niya for me, ha. Hindi niya nako-control yung oil. It breaks like after 3 or 4 hours. It looks really patchy, really cakey on my face. That's why I hate it. I don't like it. But inuubos ko lang siya. Ito yung ginagamit ko dati every time I film. Kasi maganda siya, guys, on the first application, 2 to 3 hours. But beyond that, it's horrible. This foundation is horrible. I don't like it. Next is a concealer. My favorite concealer. This one is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage. It's a waterproof concealer. It's a high coverage concealer and it's an affordable one. So if you can find this one sa mga Catrice counters here in the Philippines, and please go check it out. There's a reason kung bakit favorite ito ni Ate Mimi, favorite ito ni Kathleen Lights, kasi sobrang ganda niya, guys. It's really very long lasting. It's weightless. It's high coverage and I love it. Dry na siya inside. Gamit na gamit ko siya. And I can't wait to get my hands on this one again. And then I have 2 brow products here. I have here the NYX Tame and Frame. Ito, medyo may laman pa siya, but it has dried out already. But I've already used like half of it. But tinatapon ko na siya kasi wala na akong makuha. It's really, really very dry na. I haven't tried the Anastasia one, but I heard a lot of beauty gurus comparing this one to the Anastasia one. So ito, okay naman siya. Maganda siya sa akin, guys. Yun nga lang, hindi ko siya naubos kasi nag-dry na siya. But ito is very, very affordable lang, guys. It's like 400 plus pesos lang siya. And you are going to get 5 grams na in here. So, marami siya, guys. As in, a little goes a long way. Kaya nga, ayan, no, hindi ko naubos. Sayang lang siya. Pero, maganda siya, guys. Promise. And then this one, ubos na ubos ka na. This one is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Xpert. Ito, I'm in between. I don't love it, but I also don't hate it. It does the job naman, so okay lang to sa akin. Well, I recommend this for the price, no. This one retails for 350 pesos and namamahalan ako sa kanya. And hindi ko siya nagustuhan, but I also don't hate it. So, I prefer my Daiso pencils over this one kasi nga, mura lang yon, plus it works. And then, I have here the BLK Long Lasting Liquid Eyeliner. This one, I don't like kasi hindi siya waterproof. It transfers. And hindi ako everyday nasa air condition room. So, every time na medyo bumabasa yung mata ko, nagsismudge siya. So, I don't like this one. It's not waterproof. It is long-lasting siguro kapag dry yung eyelids mo. And if you are staying in an air-conditioned room, okay na okay to. But for me, I don't like it. And madali siyang maubos, guys. As in, sobrang dali niyang maubos. If you use this for a month straight, ubos na siya. Ganon. And I have here my favorite mascara from Maybelline. This is my #1 favorite mascara from Maybelline so far. And this one is the Lash Sensational Mascara. I love it. It gives me the right volume and the right length that I need for my lashes. And it is waterproof, pero hindi ako nahihirapan i-remove siya. So that's what I like about it. I love everything about it, from the brush. I love the brush to the formula. love this mascara, guys. Super. And the last two items are this one. This one is an eye primer that I got together with, I think it's the Lorac one. So it has dried already inside. So tinatapon ko na siya kasi it doesn't work anymore. And I also have here the lip gloss that comes with my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. And hindi ko siya nagamit ever and feeling ko expired na talaga to. Hindi feeling ko, talaga expired na ito. So ang ganda sana ng packaging but I'm ready to throw it away because it's already expired. So, ayun lang. So, that's it guys for my Empties review. I know medyo marami-rami siya, so I hope hindi kayo na-bored guys. And kung hindi man kayo na-bored and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and comment down below if you have tried these products and if you like it, just tell me your thoughts about them. And if there's anything that you want me to try, then please comment them down below because I will try my very best to try those things. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and also click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. That's it guys for today's review and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys! God bless everyone! Mwah!